Okay, so domain and range. So this is one of the most important question types in your IB exam. Okay, so log 10x, y equals log 10x. So in the exam, they will ask you the domain of this one. So what is domain? Domain is what x can be. Okay. So right here, x can only be what? So this x can only be positive numbers. Why is it? So let me show you right now. So here, BRP again. So 10 equals the x right here, right? So what log calculates is the power, right? Okay. So with this expression, can 10 to the power p, okay? Can x be negative number? No. So let me show you. If p equals 0, then the answer will be 1, right? Because power 0 equals 1, so x is 1. So it's a positive number. Okay, what if p equals negative 1, negative number, okay? So you will have 10 to the power negative 1, and it's 1 over 10, right? So it is still positive, okay? And if p is positive number, okay, let's say it's 2, then you will have 10 to the power 2, so it's 100, so it's still positive. So you can see the BRP, the result here, okay, is always positive, okay? So that's why x can only be positive, okay? It can never be 0 or negative. So the domain, what x can be, your answer would be x larger than 0, right? Okay, so range. So what is range? So y equals log 10x. The range of this one, okay? Range is what? Is what y can be, okay? So right now the y stands for the log 10x, right? So this whole thing is the power, BRP, right? BRP. So power. So let's see, is there any restriction in the power? So b base, right, equals the result, okay? The power, which is right here. So this is what y can be, which is the range. So is there any restriction on the power? No, right? Because we can put any number into the power. So we can put decimals, okay? For example, 0.1, right? Okay. Or you can put integer, 2, right? Or you can put a fraction, right? So like 1 over 2, okay? Or you can put negative number, right? So negative 3. So no restriction, okay? It means putting all these numbers into p, you can still have a result, right? So we will say the range would be all real numbers, okay? Okay? So the answer for the range of the log, we always write y is the element of the real numbers, okay?